to
Every
nogo.
day we have a choice.
Vsak dan imamo na razpolago izbiro.
Either to be angry for what we don't have or be thankful for what we do have.
Lahko smo jezni za to, česar nimamo, ali pa smo hvaležni za to, kar imamo.
The difficult thing about this life is that you have encouragement and discouragement.
Najtežja stvar v življenju je ta, da imaš stvari, ki te ohrabrujejo, pa te, ki ti jemljejo pogum.
This is my Bible,
Tole je moje sveto pismo
and here's an illustration.
in to je ilustracija.
Encouragement takes you to all that you can be.
Ohrabritev te vodi do tega, da postaneš vse, kar si lahko.
Discouragement takes you away.
Obup, kritika pa te vodi stran.
You know, I was thinking about life and what kind of life am I going to live.
Veste, razmišljal sem o življenju in kakšne vrste življenje bom živel.
You know, I heard about God.
Veste, slišal sem o Bogu.
Nick, you need to give your life to God.
Ja, Nik, moraš predati svoje življenje Bogu.
You owe your life to God.
Svoje življenje dolguješ njemu.
And I didn't understand.
In jaz tega nisem razumel.
I felt like he owed me an explanation.
Počutil sem se, kot da on meni dolguje pojasnilo.
I prayed for arms and legs.
Molil sem za roke in noge.
I had big faith,
Imel sem veliko vero,
and arms and legs didn't come.
ampak roke in noge niso prišle.
Where are you?
Kje pa si?
Why me?
Zakaj jaz?
These voices saying, Nick, you're not good enough.
Te glasovi v glavi, ki so mi govorili, Nik, ti nisi dovolj dober.
God doesn't love you.
Bog te ne ljubi.
Maybe he's not even real.
Mogoče sploh ni resničen.
You'll never have a job.
Nikoli ne boš imel službe,
You'll never get married.
nikoli se ne boš poročil.
Even if you got married, you can't even hold your wife's hand.
Tudi če bi se poročil, ne boš mogel držati svoje žene za roko.
You can't even hold your kids when they're crying.
Tudi svojih otrok ne boš mogel držati v naročju, kadar bodo jokali.
You'll never be independent.
Nikoli ne boš samostojen,
Your life is not worth living.
tvoje življenje sploh ni vredno.
My mum and dad loved me.
Moja mama in oči sta me zelo ljubila.
I always came home to a home of love and safety.
Vedno sem se lahko vrnil v varen dom.
They would get me ready in the morning.
Pripravila sta me zjutraj.
Okay, are you ready, Nick?
Ali si pripravljen,
You
Nik?
ready for school?
Ali si pripravljen, da greš v šolo?
I said, yes.
Ja.
But I knew that I was going to get teased.
Ampak vedel sem, da me bodo v šoli
They
zafrkavali.
say, don't worry about what they
In so
say.
rekli, pa naj te ne skrbi, kaj oni govorijo.
You're just special.
Veš, ti si nekaj posebnega.
You're just
Ti
special.
si nekaj posebnega.
I didn't want to be special.
Jaz nisem želel biti
I
poseben.
wanted to be normal.
Jaz sem želel biti normalen.
And I knew that my parents loved me.
In vedel sem, da me starši ljubijo.
But there was something deep within that was missing.
Ampak nekaj je bilo v meni globokega, kar mi je manjkalo.
It's enough to have arms and legs yet not even know where you're going after this life. That's a big problem.
Lahko imaš roke in noge, pa se niti ne zavedaš, kam greš, ko bo konec tvojega življenja.
But if you don't know where you're going
Če pa ne veš, kam greš
and you have no arms, no legs,
in nimaš rok in nog
and you don't believe in a future,
in ne verjameš v prihodnost,
that's hard.
to je zelo težko.
I thought I need arms and legs.
Mislil sem si, jaz potrebujem
If
roke in
I
noge.
just had arms and legs, I'd be happy.
Če bi le imel roke in noge, potem bi bil srečen.
Most of you tonight have arms and legs.
Večina izmed vas ima roke in noge.
You must be happy.
Verjetno, zagotovo ste srečni.
Are you happy?
Ali ste srečni?
Nisi?
Ne?
You have ups and downs, right?
Imate vzpone in padce, ali ne?
You can have arms and legs but still have a broken heart.
Lahko imaš roke in noge, pa imaš še vedno zlomljeno srce.
You can have everything but be disabled with fear on the inside.
Lahko imaš vse, pa si znotraj sebe omejen z strahom.
You can have money
Lahko imaš denar,
but you can't convince your 14-year-old daughter that she's beautiful just the way that she is.
ampak ne moreš prepričati svoje 14-letne hčere, da je čudovita ravno taka, kakršna je.
You give me $1 million
Lahko mi date $1 milijon
or euro,
ali evrov,
okay,
better,
and I'm happy.
in sem srečen.
And then the next day,
In potem naslednji dan
my mum dies.
mi umre mama.
Am I happy?
Ali sem sedaj srečen?
No,
Ne,
but I have €1 million.
ampak se ima €1 milijon.
Money,
Denar,
couldn't heal my heart.
ni mogel ozdraviti mojega srca.
You can try and do things for fun,
Lahko poskušate in delate stvari zgolj za zabavo.
trying to maybe even forget about your pain.
Lahko mogoče poskušate pozabiti na svojo bolečino.
Alcohol
Alkohol
doesn't fix things.
ne bo popravil stvari.
And then you get depressed knowing that that doesn't fix you, so then you drink more.
In potem postaneš depresiven, ker se zavedaš, da ti ni nič bolje in potem piješ še več.
Teenagers,
Najstniki,
drugs,
droge,
sex,
seks,
pornography,
pornografija,
all that stuff,
vse te stvari,
it's all empty.
vse to je prazno.
You're going to give me drugs to not commit suicide when I'm here?
Ali mi boste dali droge, da ne bi storil samomora, ko se znajdem povsem na robu?
Every pleasure is temporary
Vsak užitek je zgolj začasen.
unless you find something that lasts forever.
Razen, če ne odkriješ nekaj, kar traja večno.